Imke en ik wil mijn haar gaan verven. Ik wil het hierboven mijn eigenste kleur laten en dan hieronder blauw en dan hier laten veranderen naar paars.
Yeah. Imke wants purple and blue colors in the underlines. She wants to stay on top in the natural colors. Gonna correct her hairstyle but not totally change her hairstyle. And she turns around to show you how her current hairstyle is. Dus nog even een rondje draaien. And her mom is here, so shout something, mom.
Hi.
So she's not alone.
Yes.
Dankjewel. In YouTube cut me a small model, but she will be larger than I am. Start with wetting the hair and start with bleaching the underlines. I made her a beautiful soft bleach on 6% base with extra conditioner and nursing of the hairs. I don't want to damage, of course, the skin or the hairs. Now, mom did also a little bit cutting, so that's why this is short. But I create something in it. So I work out the asymmetrical line over the lines that she already has. Pin the hairs aside, bleach the underlines, and then apply the colors, and then I do cutting. And she wants the colors in the underlines, so I part it also from the fall of the skull to the sides. Work myself a line to the back. Get to my pin. Get the hairs aside. In this case, parting is of course real important because I have to have straight lines. Put protection over my cape. Made the silver bleach, platinum bleach with the violet in it. And she has really lovely short hair, so I can make something beautiful of it. I'm so excited and I really can't hide it. She has lovely ears. Dat is zulke mooie oren.
Really?
Yeah, you have really nice ears.
Right.
I have a little bit of ear fetish, so that's my problem. But I really like ears, and you know why I like ears?
No?
The inside of your ear was what you were when you're 2 months old and your mom. It's your photos. Shapes.
It's cold.
Good to know. Applying the bleach over the total length, of course.
Thick.
Gezellig is dat.
Yeah.
Turn it so you can watch with me. Parting hairs over the hairs already colored in. Work just above the skull bone. And so do all her hair. And all the bleach is on her hair. On the fall between the two colors, I take a carton wig, apply that on the line. This to separate the colors from each other. Around the ears I did also a bit carton wig because I closed my plastic foil, and between the bleach and the plastic foil it can be heated, so that's why I cover this up. Close this, then we go for coffee and tea, and you just stay there because we'll be back in a second. I don't use heat in this process. So don't go away, I'll be back. After a half hour we rinsed it out, this color. And now I'm gonna dry it because the hair is wet, and then I'm gonna color it in. Okay, starting on the coloring of the blonde. Now she wants to get a blue into the underlines to the back and a purple on the sides. So I created of a lacme, a purple is 522 plus. Put in step 2 of the glit line. Use it with 3% as 10 volume. Applying this on the bleached hair. Then I'm going to part to the back in an angle. Because she wants the purple on this side and not all over her hair. So I create an angle over the back of her hair. Make sure every blonde hair is gone. Take a foil, lay it on the line coloring. So I can lay the blue hairs on this. And again making sure every hair is colored.
Je bent namelijk hartstikke paas al.
Ja, ik zag het. Wat lach je nou? Ziet het er absurd uit?
Oh, ik vind het gewoon leuk.
Ik vind het gewoon leuk, precies.
Mama wordt ook even weer een meisje.
Ja.
Ja, maar echt.
Ja, nou maar dan is het niks. Mama is ook een meisje. Blijft een meisje. Wees blij dat je moeder nog een meisje is en niet alleen een oude vrouw. Ja, het zijn eigenlijk moeders bij die eigenlijk nou oude wijven zijn hoor. Dat is alleen maar leuk als je moeder jong is. Dat is gewoon fijn.
Hoor je het, hoor je het, hoor je het?
Ja.
Ja mama.
Ja.
Moeder.
Gênant.
Ja maar die is gênant. So now what I did, put the foil over the purple and this is the line of the blonde, over the blonde, so it will be blue. So this has to stay on for 20 minutes and then we're back. Hello, back. After 20 minutes we rinse it out. Now I'm not going to change a lot on this hairstyle, but I'm going to make it more functional. Now, what we told you, she wants to hide the colors, so I'm going to create that she can hide the colors. But I also have to correct the line a bit. So I start on this line. First I take up the hairs to the front and go into the curve. And I take it up to the line where her mother made it too short. This part. Mother is crying now. Mom, cry! She did her best. That's the most important thing. And I'm going to connect the line to the back. Blue under the purple and a natural color over that line. Show you that in a second. So I created this line in overflow because the purple is laying in the underline, so you see the purple line from the front to the back, but the blue stays under it, so it's hidden under the hairs. Take the hairs up, scissor over comb, not take too much off because it's fine hair and you want to see the colors, so that's why I hold it a bit longer. Lay the hairs to the front, correct the line, take the ear down, get out that nice soft sideburn. Bend the ear down and take the line behind the ears. And then I go to the overflow. Lifting the hairs up, take it a bit to the upper lines, so I bend them with my comb. And connect them to the line I just cut. She has a nice playful neckline. This I clean with a small clipper. Go on the line of cutting. Hold my fingers under the skull bone. So I let my fingers guide by the skull bone. And create a wonderful fall to the line. Get rid of the small hairs that lay beneath it. And every time pushing on the hairs, so I guide them into my scissor. Onto my small clipper, clean the contour line, get rid of the woolly hairs. Free the upper hair. So now I'm going to work in the line of cutting. Lay all the hairs on the baseline I just created. See the wonderful blue coming out. Take the hairs up. Use my comb to guide the hairs. Lay them on the line of cutting and give it a slight graduation by turning my fingers to the longer side. This creates the most wonderful fall on the hairs. See how wonderful they bend into the line. Going over the center line, and they'll hold my line a bit straight. Take a new line on it over the center of the crown. Lay the hairs in the beautiful roundings of her skull. And now you see this part is much too much, because I'm still on this line of the center line. So this I take over to this side. Again, lay it in the wonderful roundings. Take it up, bend it. Connecting on the line of cutting. Spannend? Valt mee.
Ja, valt wel mee. Ik ben benieuwd
zo.
hoe het gaat worden.
Mooi.
Is het eigenlijk de bedoeling dat ik nou recht vooruit ga kijken? Of kan ik
Nee, je mag gewoon eventjes zo doen wat je wil.
Oké, top.
Take the natural roundings of the skull into the hairstyle. So take them over the roundings, lay them into the roundings. Move the hairs also in the line of the skull lines. This adds some more length to the front. So now I have a beautiful baseline and still all the blues under the hairs. Coming to the blue side. Pin the upper hairs aside. Now here I don't take off much. Just hold my fingers in a straight line. Watch at the beautiful lines of her chin. So this is almost the same length. And this one side is could be cut. So thank God for Mom. To remain the colors at home, you have to get direct colors, but with a baseline like this, it's wonderful to color the hairs over and over again. Lay the up hairs over the hairs. I just cut. Use the rounding again of the skull. Take it over and connect the line. Turn some more. And for so far the cut. So now I can dry her hair. Hey. And before I'm going to do this, I take a protectionist volume of Lanza. It gives a roots effect. Smells really delicious. Start blow drying with a medium brush. Start on the longer side. Maar ik heb gezien hoe blauw het is ook, hè?
Ja, het is goed. Ja.
So far blow drying. First hairs, I'm going to use of Lanza the golden oil. This healing oil is the most wonderful product there is in the world. Just one drop. Smells really, really nice. And it brings out all the movement of her hair. She has really beautiful hair. I thank her for being my model and thank you for watching. She will turn around to show you the end result and we see each other of course in the next video. Bye bye. Kijk maar, check aan. Ja, draai maar. Dankjewel.
Ik ben Imke en ik wil mijn haar gaan verven. Ik wil het hierboven mijn eigenste kleur laten. En dan hieronder blauw. En dan hier laten veranderen naar paars.
Yeah. Imke wants purple and blue colors in the underlines. She wants to stay on top in the natural colors. Gonna correct her hairstyle but not totally change her hairstyle. And she turns around to show you how her current hairstyle is. Dus nog even een rondje draaien. And her mom is here, so shout something, mom.
Hi.
So she's not alone.
Yes.
Dankjewel.